Hello guys, what is going on? So I realised that I have just edited this and realised that I have gone the same route as I have in 2 videos, I think. I completely just forgot what I was doing, and I was so focused on making sure I knew what I was going to say for the video instead of it just being random shit, that I completely forgot to change up my route. So it is the same route, but I do actually have a genre in this video and it's not just random shit. Remember, I am still learning from this as well, so you have to bear with me. It's kind of getting better. I know it's a struggle for you guys, it's a struggle for me. I need to keep focused, keep getting on with it, and the more I try, the more I'm gonna learn from whatever I'm doing. So I'm going to be getting some GTA videos out soon. I have been putting a couple up. Thank you to people who have been helping me with footage. As like I've said, my RGH is broken, but I will be trying tomorrow with a friend read out my NAND to get it all fixed. So I hope you guys stick around and enjoy the rest of this video. So thank you for watching and enjoy. Peace. So, what is going on, guys? My name is TheDonBro, and in today's video, basically, oh jeez, I can't even get going. I realised that yesterday's video of my Moto-Vlog 3 was pretty much just me chatting shit for 15 minutes. Mainly because it was just a test to see the mic, see everything was set up, and just to test everything completely working, basically. But I'm making this video to basically explain. I'm going to be doing videos on like specific genres and other things instead of just random gobbledygook. But it's also going to be other stuff like random stuff that you do like daily, like I don't know, people riding now basically, and something happened and that's the reaction that I've done and the reaction that everyone else has done, you know, like daily observation kind of things. But as well as that, I'm going to be doing like genres. Say, what the fuck is going on here? This is what yesterday's video I said, this roundabout is absolute fuckery. Look at what is going on. Not one of them has a single clue what lane to pick. Ridiculous. It's a complete kerfuffle around here, and I don't know why. It's so simple to understand. I've been riding for a month and it's still not that difficult to understand. Because no one knows what lane to pick, it's hard to know when to pull out. And no one fucking indicates nowadays anyway. Oh my god. But yeah, like genres within like biking and stuff, instead of just random stuff that I was chatting about yesterday. But that was just like a test. Whoa, shit! See what I mean? Car crashes, fucking... oh my god, shit just goes down on this roundabout. Easy in the van, fucking hell. Anyway, I'm going to be doing a review today on this bike. But first, basically, what I wanted to say is... people that got me into moto-vlogging and biking, basically, like... I would say, obviously, my dad. I've been brought up on bikes. I used to go football every Sunday on bikes, on the back of my dad's bike. But then, when I got more older, I wanted to get my own bike. Obviously, 16, you can get a 50cc. 17, you can get a 125, and so on. This is a 125 that I'm on now. and I started watching Moto-Vlogs because it was the only way to experience riding and people, basically, like real life riding, because it's a first person perspective of the rider, basically. And I started watching Spicy 110 when he was riding 125s, not as early as he started. I mean, he started doing YouTube like a long time ago. I'm not too sure when, but I saw some videos early. It was early 2013, 2012, so he might have even been doing it before then. But he's currently at 47,000 subscribers, and I watched his videos for the 125s on a Sinus Apache, and basically it was just great. Like, he explained so much stuff to do with the 125, the limitations of a 125, and everything you need to know. Oh, my fucking visor's stuck. About a 125 in general, right? And how practical they are and how good they are for what you need. He basically explained everything, and it was great because it got me really involved with watching Moto-Vlogs for a start, and it got me really involved with wanting to do it myself, you know, like inspiration to get started. And it was just cool how he put everything together, and it was so good how it all worked. So now, like, I never thought it would happen, but now I'm fucking motovlogging, and I'm making videos, and I'm riding, I've got my own stuff, and I'm so happy for that. And if I hadn't have done YouTube in the start and had all you supporters following me, I would never have any of this, and I'm so grateful for that. So basically, I messaged him the other day asking about camera setups and mic setups and a couple questions on how to do it and stuff, and he linked me to a few videos that he did a while back when he first started riding, and it basically told me everything I needed to do. It's like his channel, when he had a 125, was pretty much a beginner's guide to fucking riding and moto vlogging and everything to do with bikes at the time. Because he's been doing it so long, he has all the experience and stuff, which is absolutely great because you can learn everything all on the spot, all from him. And then when you get your own bike, you can experience what he's done, and some like tutorials that he's helped with. And he's even got like stuff on how to fix your bike, change exhaust and stuff like that. It's really fucking helpful if you're a beginner on a bike. So he told me the mics and setups. I didn't exactly go with what he used because for some reason it was easier to go for a GoPro than to go with the stealth camera that he used, the Drift Innovation. And the mic he used, I've got a different mic, but it's a complete different setup. But the fact that he basically explained how to do it all was the best thing, and it was so easy to get along with. Like, his videos are so easy to understand and control and shit. So basically this is like a thank you shout out video to like Spicy 110, and I watch other motovloggers as well, Hunter Honda, 6'4" Honda, Do It With Dan, Moto-Nosity, Subi Moto, Jake the Garden Snake. I watch quite a few of them because I'm a massive fan of motorbikes and motovlogs, and them guys are just ripping it, man. They're doing it, they're going in, right? So massive thank you to Spicy 110. I'm gonna leave his link in the description below so you guys can go and fucking check out his channel, because his say New Year resolution was to hit 100,000 subscribers this year. 2016, he's currently at 47,000, like I've said, nearly 50k, which is a big milestone. And it would really be cool if you guys wanted to check him out as a motovlog. He always posts videos, he's funny, he does meets, he does other kinds of cool shit. And it's just awesome, man. So thank you to him. That was like a shout out video, and I hope you stick around for more. Basically, I've got some meets coming up with my dad. He does AFB, he's in the Armed Forces Bikers, because he's a veteran,
RAF veteran, so he does biker meets and stuff, which hopefully I can tag along in a few of them and get some videos of that out with for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, leave a like down below, guys. It helps my channel greatly. If you are new, feel free to subscribe, guys, and have a wonderful rest of your day. Peace.